Hi, my name is Marianne, and today we're at the Orange County Coastkeeper Garden. And I'd like to share with you today some simple and easy and inexpensive ways that you can start growing your own vegetables at home. One of the best things that you can do at home is you can start your own seeds. And it doesn't have to be an expensive venture. You can pick up a packet of seeds very inexpensively and start your seeds actually using recycled materials. And you can get these little peat pots at any big box store. After your plants sprout, you can plant them into a planter or, like I have here, a raised bed. By growing your own vegetables, you use less water, no pesticides, and no chemicals, which really helps to keep Orange County waterways clean. We hope that you found these tips very helpful. Be sure and follow us on social media for more weekly water gardening tips. OCisGardenSmart. Visit MWDOC.com for more information.